See, guys, we get the IMSI, guys, okay? And the surprise thing, you not only get the IMSI, you can get also the phone number, guys. Hey, welcome to Rifki the Cyber. So today I'm going to show to you that is it possible to get the IMSI from the satellite phone? Yes, the answer is yes. We can get it. But easy, that is quite relative. Because to be honest with you, I got this IMSI after maybe around nearly 2 hours. And then I get the IMSI. But also I got the mobile phone. That is a good news for you guys. Okay, before that, you need to watch this video. And inside of that video, there is some prerequisite to watch in which video again, what you need to prepare, etc. So on, you need to follow through all of them. And I think in that video, I show it to you, I told you to sniffing like 2 hours, 3 hours to get the output bits. To running this, let's say like 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours. What? This is gonna be your homework. And this your homework we will use for the next video after this. Including also the hints of the GitHub link itself. But no problem, guys. I'm going to show to you the GitHub link in this case. So actually, we're still using this GitHub. Okay, guys? So real time, this one GitHub. And after that, in that video, we're running everything so on. Same like this, okay? After that, I told you to collect those 3 hours, right? Because we are going to use that file, guys. The 3 hours sniffing. So after we running conda activate, cd build export path, cd build Iridium toolkit, etc. so on. Now, your output bits that you already collected, we just need to running with this, the same command like this. Cat output bits, Iridium, blah, 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 GSM tab, okay? So right now, because I already collect this around 3 hours for this one, so I just simply open this, and then after that, I'm going to, using the loopback, and then I'm going to running this cat output bits, Iridium parser, reassembler, GSM tab. I told you, right, in the first video, in the previous video, that actually this one is not declared in this argument. See, there is no GSM tab here. But this is the hidden gems, the one that I would like to share with you in that my previous video and also in this one. So I just copy this and I will just put it like this. And then boom. So it starts from here, right, guys? So, okay. And then we are going to catching the IMSI. This is the filter E212 IMSI in this case. Okay. So let's wait. Because the output bits is contains with the 3 hours, right, of our sniffing, right, guys? Let's see if we can get some IMSI. We can get IMSI from this one. Let's say boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's, if you want to see this is still keep moving or not, just look at this. Okay, you can see there are so many things here. Okay, let's filter. Oh, what is it? No. Let's filter again the IMSI. Still not there. Let's wait. See, guys, we got the IMSI, guys, okay? So this is the IMSI actually contained in the location updating request. Actually, IMSI, yes, there, but it's not very often, guys. And even me, I got it like, look at this. I think it's around nearly 2 hours or whatever it is. So this is the IMSI, right? If you don't get the column, you can do like this. So this is the IMSI, right click, and then apply this as a column. So you can get the IMSI itself. Okay, guys? So this is the IMSI. And the surprise thing, you not only get the IMSI, you can get also the phone number, guys. Okay, let's open this. I think I already saved it in my another pickup file. I think this one. This is the guy. This is the guy, guys. Okay, I just make it. This is as a column. Apply as a column. Or if you want to filter, you just need to filter this. Prepare as a filter. eliminate the equal, then you get the mobile number, not only just the IMSI. Okay guys, what do you think? Hopefully this is useful, and this will be satisfy your curiosity if there's some IMSI there in the 780 kilometers above the skies. It's not out we can get the IMSI, and also we can get also the mobile number with this traffic downlink from the satellite downlink itself, guys. Okay, hopefully this is useful. As I always say in my other previous video, keep learning and stay humble.